Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a quick 3-step skincare routine for dark skin tone using natural ingredients. We all have different skin types with different needs. Having a routine that best suits your skin type is going to keep your skin healthy and glowing all the time. This routine is going to help you fade away stubborn acne marks, hyperpigmentation, and give you an even skin tone. Let's get started. Step number 1 of this routine is to cleanse your face. Take an airtight container and mix 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of fuller's earth powder, 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Keep your container that contains the powder mix in the bathroom for easy access. This is going to be your daily face cleanser. Take desired amount of the powder mix on your palm and add a few drops of water and form a paste. Rub this paste gently on your face as you would your normal cleanser in a circular motion for 2 minutes and let it sit for 2 more minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. This cleanser is very effective at removing dirt and impurities on your skin because it contains powerful ingredients such as fuller's earth, which is great at absorbing oils and unclogging pores. Step number 2 of this routine is to tone your face. The purpose of using a toner on your face is to close pores after cleansing to avoid dirt from clogging them again. Always go for a hydrating toner, that way you add back the moisture to your face. The best hydrating toner for all skin types, even the most sensitive skin, is rose water. You will need some organic rose petals. Avoid using roses that are made for decorations because they are loaded with pesticides. Wash your rose petals very well and put in a saucepan and add some water, then boil on a very low flame for 10 minutes. Strain your rose water in a spraying bottle. You can add some few petals in your spraying bottle to keep the infusion going on. Use your toner both day and night after cleansing the face by spraying directly to your face or spray on your cotton pad and gently rub it on your skin. Wait for your face to dry completely before following up with the next step of this routine. Step number 3 of this routine is to moisturize your face. Moisturizing your face is essential even if you have oily skin. For oily skin, go for a water-based or gel-based moisturizer. I have a video that shows how to make your own water-based moisturizer. I will link it in the description. You can also use aloe vera gel as your moisturizer after toning. For dry skin, use raw shea butter on your face after toning it. You can go an extra step to add oils such as jojoba or baobab to your shea butter and essential oils of your choice. After you have moisturized your face during the day, finish your routine by wearing a good sunscreen and you are good to go. Here are some tips to achieve an even more glowing skin. Tip number 1. Instead of using water on your first step of this routine, you can use things like honey, which is going to pull moisture from the air to your skin, or milk, which is going to exfoliate your skin due to its presence of lactic acid. Tip number 2. Reapply sunscreen during the day to further protect your skin from the UV rays. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated by drinking 8 or more glasses of water every single day. Tip number 4. Incorporate fruits and veggies that are going to give you that extra glow on your face, such as carrots, oranges, beetroots, avocados, guavas, lemons, and apples. Tip number 5. Get enough good quality sleep every day. Change your pillowcases at least twice a week and use satin pillowcases. Establishing a good skincare routine is going to keep your skin bright, supple, and clear regardless of its tone. I hope you found value in today's video. Comment your current skincare routine and what steps from this routine you're going to add to your routine. Subscribe to my channel for daily beauty uploads and give today's video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your loved ones. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. I appreciate you.